this message goes straight to the governor of Imo State, and of course, whoever is in charge of recruitment or whatever, the hospital management in Imo State. Are very, very disturbing that people especially in a specialist hospital, other hospitals in Imo State, as the casual workers or temporary workers or whatever, properly. These people have been suffering. These people have been suffering for years. Minimum wage one. 250,000. No, then actually renovate the hospital. Who does that? Oh, who no renovate the hospital? Which means no renovate the hospital. What kind of the problem I have with this government war? They don't know how to package. How will I put it? Is it political correctness? They don't know how to package it. I don't want to say they don't know how to package lies. But they don't know how to package political correctness because they believe that political correctness is sugar na then they will say political correctness is well so that hospital, buge the hospital. At the end of the day, that by October 1st, actually renovate the hospital. Not good all for now. This and that and this and that. This and that is Jirime, that and this is Jirime. So that could web atazan den kunu. Dispose one day now. Use wele huna dump wala ha. Use wele huna dump wala ha. Then could web atazan den kunu. Aga kumazi salary. Why did these people have been here for 4 years, 5 years, counting? Doing the job, the doctors question, nurses question, midwives question, with hope. Now, I get away and salary. Now, all black package salary, health workers, bobo, nachi with a wire, a discharge, no, they don't renovate the hospital. So, I was not renovate the hospital, Ndimoga was in. And when they home within the period of renovation of the hospital, then we die. Because the government is renovating a hospital. So, I renovate the hospital. And I say, when the temporary place, or continue, man, renovate the hospital. So, I renovate the hospital. I wash you Concord Hotel. That is a close way down. She close way down, Concord Hotel. Then I renovate here. Hotel is hotel, hospital is hospital. I'm not going So the governor of Imo State should do the right thing. Do the needful, sir. Do not discharge these people like that. Okay, wait like iwe. Okay, wait like iwe. Okay, wait iwe. These people have been suffering for years. Na taho. Ne woli lanya. Ne mecha no ga dem mana akwa salary. Oduze ba ga eji kwa salary. Na achopola ha because we dem when ndu nu chore webata. Aga kwa salary. While in that for years now, Nachi Papo ha, Kunu Wabatasan Dinu Gana salary, Abi, come with a minimum wage, a package, and I with Tesicana, 1 minimum Abi, get set to lose some people Abi. So Ndanunga Hundimo. Ndanunga Humado. Ndanunga had deserve on salary Abi. They don't deserve better life Abi. Upon spending their money coming to the hospital, upon all the sufferings and the risk he had taken. I'm a Monday anonga when this is COVID-19. Oh, wunda anonga na wunde buijishi ha logo COVID-19. Now, we orembo hageriwe salary na che kwapo ha kanu obatazia ndo wande ndo woma. Ndo no hashi list. Ndo tele list from government house. Nda kuma salary. Nda ga enyono. Abi nda ga ruga nga ha wo mmada bi. Obiligwe lege o. Obinigwe na ele o. Ala na elekwe o. Ikuku na elekwe o, anwụ na elekwe o, mmiri na ele o. Onye ọbụla mekwe ihe ọ ga-eme n'ụwa ka ọ ga-awụ eme gị ya adịghị mma. Nye ahụ mere onye ọzọ eme gị ọkwa ọ ga-adịghị mma. The government of Imo State should not discharge these people. They should take them as a permanent staff. They deserve it. It is their fundamental human right. It is their right, natural right. if you think you can discharge them, but you so bano. Onwe salary madu geri no wa ye ri ba afọ. Onwe salary madu geri. Salary madu na deserve. Ya na eri afọ etoye. The government of Igbo State should do the right thing. Unu discharge kwala ndị a. Eli igwe ga-egwekwa iwe. Okike abịama ga-ewekwa iwe, ala ga-ewekwa iwe, mmiri ikuku, ọnwa ga-ewekwa iwe, anwụ ga-ewekwa iwe. Ekwuchakwala m.